folks, how's it doing? It's There's Catties. As you can see, it looks all Christmassy in here, doesn't it? It looks like I'm sitting in Val Dunican's living room. I'm waiting for David Bowie to knock on the door so we can have a sing-song around the piano. Right, so the purpose for this video really is I want to show you a little idea. I don't know, you know what I mean? I don't even know if it's on YouTube already. I couldn't give a shit really. I'm not really that bothered. But it's just a little project that I'm doing, scampering around at the moment. And basically what I wanted to do was to make some kind of insulation covers to go on my Trangia water bottle for the Trangia fuel bottle. And secondly, I wanted to make some sort of thermal or protect the gas canister on my Jetboil. So the first one I made was there's the Trangia bottle, and simply what I've done is I've used a piece of roll mat and wrapped a piece around it, measured it all out, wrapped it around the bottle. There's a foam piece on the bottom and it's covered in tape, and then that's basically how I'm going to just leave my bottle now through the season. I'm not going to bother taking the sleeve off, I'm just going to leave that on there as a permanent thing. And then the second one that I've done is that I've done it on the Jetboil, and it kind of looks uniform really because I've used some real tree tape on there as well. It kind of matches the Jetboil sleeve. So, but what I've had to do there, I've also had to take the plastic cup off at the bottom, and then basically what happens is that slots on the base there, and then when I want to use the gas stove, obviously I slip it off. Yeah, so there it is. And then basically what I do is then the gas canister that can then sit inside the sleeve there like so, and then I can obviously attach the burner to it. And then what I'm hoping is that obviously keeps the fuel a little bit sort of more sort of warmer inside there, or prevents some of the cold from getting to it. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to show you the process of me making one. So here in Blue Peter style, it's one at the start of one that I've started to make. Okay. It's me, Mr. Fucking Scissors! there's you saw the layout of it. Mr. Scissors makes a slight appearance as well. And then the whole idea is, I mean, once I've finished taping this one up, using, you know, at the moment I've just put some insulating tape and everything else, and then basically that will just sit on the bottom there. Well, it can sit on the bottom of whoever's stove it is if you decide to make one, and then when you want, as I say, use your gas, just pull that off and then stick your gas inside it, and then job really. So yeah, nothing too out of the ordinary there. Whether it actually works, what I think I might do is do a little experiment and actually leave the gas bottle and the meth set in the garden, because it is quite cold at the moment, and see whether or not it actually does work. So there's a little project for you to be getting on with over the Christmas season or over winter, if you feel, you know, if you have slight issues with your meths lighting and your gas sort of not performing as well as it should be when you're boiling your water and such like. Alright, so hope you like that little video. Wish you a Merry Christmas. Don't forget to leave a comment, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already done so, and I'll catch up with you again soon. So Des Catty signing out, and I'll see you on the flip side.